In this video, we're going to talk about keyword difficulty, what it is and why it's important. And later on in the video, I'm going to show you a trick to find weak spots in the search engine result pages where you can rank for keywords that you really shouldn't be able to rank for. Welcome to LowFruits. We analyze the search engine results for you to find the low competition keywords that you can rank for today. So what is keyword difficulty? Why should you care about it? Well, keyword difficulty is a metric that SEO tools use to show you just how difficult it is to rank for a certain keyword. So if you're putting out content on the web and you want to rank in Google's search and show up on that first page, you definitely want to be concerned with keyword difficulty. Here's a very popular tool, Semrush. The other big SEO keyword research tool is Ahrefs. If we do a simple search here for flower pot, we can see that the keyword difficulty is coming up as 50%, telling us this is going to be difficult to rank for. So knowing keyword difficulty is very important for ranking your content. Generally speaking, longer tail keywords are easier to rank for, keywords with 3 or more terms. So if I throw in just the word plastic flower pot, now it's knocked down to 45. Semrush is kindly saying, it's possible you could rank for this. Not likely unless you are an established domain who's been dealing in flower pots for many years. But this is basically what keyword difficulty is. And if we scroll down here on Semrush, there's a section that says keyword ideas. If I click that button that says view all 1,481 keywords, we can see all of these different variations on plastic flower pot and their corresponding keyword difficulty. There's a column here, KD, keyword difficulty, 41, 45, 21, plastic hanging flower pots. You might have a chance for that one. And that's basically how Semrush works. But I want to show you another tool called LowFruits. So we're on lowfruits.io right now. I'm going to click on my dashboard. I'm logged in. Here's my dashboard. If you don't have a LowFruits account, you can sign up for one. We give you a free 14-day trial. LowFruits does work on a credit system. Yes, you have to pay for credits, but we give you a 14-day trial so you can try it out before you commit to more than that. Sign up for that free account and take it for a test drive. You got 14 days to try it out. We give you some credits to work with, nothing to lose. I'm going to click on the link on the left here. It says KW Finder for Keyword Finder. I'm just going to do that same keyword we looked for earlier called flower pots, not flower ports, flower pots. You just got to wait for LowFruits to do its thing. Usually takes less than a minute. And it's telling us it found 5,094 keyword ideas. Pretty amazing. We got 2 options now. I can access all the keyword ideas for free, or I can analyze all the high intent keywords in one shot. It's going to use 1,500 credits. I don't need to do that yet. I'm not sold on flower pots. I'm just using this as an example. So let's just click access and see all those keywords. The next step is to pick some of these keywords and analyze them, because there are 5,094 keywords and I chose just to show them. None of them have been analyzed yet. We could have picked that other option and analyzed all of them in one shot. For the purposes of this demo video, I don't want to do that. So it's showing me 50 keywords per page. I'm going to knock that down to 25. And then I'm going to select all of them with the bulk selection, just the current page, not all of the pages. So now I have 25 keywords selected. I am going to click SERP extract, which is going to extract and analyze those keywords. Once again, you just need to give LowFruits a little bit of time to do this. It does not take long, usually less than a minute. And that's it. It's done. I didn't even speed up the video. It did it while I was talking about it. So I want you to pay attention to 2 columns here. The first one is SD, SERP difficulty score. This is not exactly the same thing as keyword difficulty in Semrush, but it's very similar. It does take into account some other factors in the SERPs, but by and large, this is equivalent to keyword difficulty. It's a 1, 2, or 3 scale. 1 is the easiest, 2 and 3 are more difficult. The next column is weak spots, and this is the column that really sets LowFruits apart from tools like Semrush and Ahrefs. When you have keyword difficulty from those other tools, All you can tell is how difficult the keyword is to rank for, but you don't know who's in the top 10. If those websites in the top 10 are well-established websites with years of history and tons of backlinks, even if you have a keyword difficulty score of, say, 25, it's going to be next to impossible to get on that homepage unless you too are really established in your niche. So the magic to LowFruits is this weak spots column, and it works very simply. There's fruits for weak spots. The more fruits you see, the more opportunities there are. We're only showing you weak spots in the top 10, that first page of results on Google. So with this first key phrase here, how to measure flower pots, it's telling us that position 1 only has a domain authority of 15. It even tells you exactly what website that is, garden-spots.com. It's telling us also position number 3 only has a domain authority of 1, position 5, domain authority of 12, position 9, domain authority of 14. So right away, I'm saying position number 3 only has a domain authority of 1. I got a really good chance of ranking for how to measure flower pots if I create content around that key phrase, use a tool like All-in-One SEO to get the SEO handled. I got a very good chance of ranking here. So that's keyword difficulty and why it's important. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And if you want to start using LowFruits to find hidden opportunities in the search results, go ahead and click on the very first link in the description below this video to get started right now.